So let's say you just want specific devices to go ahead and access your computer, that is, access your AnyDesk. Let's say, for example, I only want this device right here with this address. So let's just go ahead and copy out the code and allow it to be the only system to access my computer. In that case, for that, I can go around over here onto main menu and then go to setting right here. Then I can go to access right here, and then let me just go ahead and unlock this out right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that restrict client access to the following AnyDesk addresses is here. If you were to go ahead and click right here just like this, then what happens is that it'll restrict it out to only certain addresses. So if I were to click on the plus button, I can go ahead and paste this out right here just like this, as you can see, and this will be the device that can access out my computer. So if I were to go ahead and press enter, you can see this has been added out. Similarly, you can go ahead and add in other addresses that you want to provide the access with. So once you do that, then only that computer will have access to your computer. And then whenever there is an unattended access, you know that it is only from that computer and not other computers. So this enhances security while giving remote access. So that is how you can allow only specific devices to access your computer in AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.